Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to the next satisfaction, once again, I would like to invite you for upcoming big event. Mark your calendar. This coming August 31, Saturday at 8 p.m. for a big night presentation entitled Secrets of Stella L. Starring Miss Miles Miller in the Val Actress. And of course, with our very own Frank's International Models, Centerfold Models, lovely CCAs, and other surprise guest performers. Don't forget, come on, come on! It's coming August 31, Saturday at 8 p.m. And all the girls of Bally Shell too. There's a big night cash prize awaits you. First two girls to reach 14 ladies drink will have 2,000 pesos cash prize. First manager to reach 100 ladies drink will be having 1,000 cash prize. And of course, we will have evening gown competition. Rumble stage. Best and evening gown will receive 2,000 pesos cash prize. First runner-up will receive 1,500 cash prize. And second runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos cash prize. So girls, what are you waiting for? Invite your guests down. Invite your supporters to this upcoming big night presentation.